Hello guys, in the previous video we actually looked about the using Python in Excel, and today we will look into how to use a simple formula of Python in Excel. Now you all know that by clicking on the insert Python you are able to actually insert any Python formula on an Excel file. Now if let's say you don't want to choose the insert Python, you could also use the equal sign py, and you can see the option here called create Python formula. Now if you press tab, it will automatically set the Python formula environment for you. Now what am I going to do here right now is I want to create a Pythagoras formula here. To do that, I just need to show what is the values for a, b and c that we used to define in the Pythagoras formula. Now for value a and value b, I'll put here the value 3 and 4, and we all know that for value c is always 5. Now we're going to calculate this in using the Python formula. Now this will be the output for the while formula. Let's put equal sign py and press tab. Now you already get the formula site here. I would like to declare a variable a here is actually equals to the value of a, which is 3. So now if I click 3 here, you will actually get the Excel cell reference, which is b1. In here, press space, and I want to declare value b. Same thing, you go to the cell b2 and you actually get the Excel cell reference of b2. Now I would need to return the value of c. To do this, I actually need to use the value a here and square root the value, plus b square root the value of b, and to get the value of c I need to square root the value of c. To do that, I need to access the math library in Python. Now since the initialization content that we actually see in the previous video, there was no math library involved, so what we need to do is we actually just need to import the library math. Import math library here, and now we can actually call the math library function square root. Now that we actually have the function square root, I want this value to go into here. Now once we have already have this, we can actually click OK, enter, and you can see here it actually returns here the value 5. So this is a simple example of using importing a library that is not defined in the initialization and use a simple formula in Python.